camera reception. Did you get a picture with Creepy Mickey?
I got
That's
a
good.
picture of Creepy Mickey, yeah. The owner also painted bamboo.
Yeah, painted bamboo. She's gonna buy us tickets. So there's the prices. With return, $4 US. One-way ticket to wherever it goes.
What's one way?
$2.50.
What are you gonna do? Pretty clear.
Do you have anything to say to the brand dogs? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much did you enjoy the cable car?
8.
8. On a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
How about you? How many?
9.
9, okay. Well, I give it a 3.
So are we going
I give it a 3 because I had to sit next to
leave
you and you tell me how miserable you are.
No, miserable.
3, 3.1. Okay. So it seems like this whole thing was built basically just to put it out here. So the cable car ride is the experience, and then you can eat at the restaurant if you want. The restaurant's up here. And then you get some nice views. They seem well taken care of enough. Basically, a bunch of dogs laying around. you can go pet them, you can go sit with them. You can probably feed them treats. They have a lot of cold weather breeds in a place that gets pretty warm.
Ears.
They're cropped, maybe? No, they're here. And cropped.
He's so big.
That one?
They're cropped, yeah. Who lopped your ears off, big guy? They're just nubs. They're just nubs. Why'd they take your ears, big boy? Oh, wow. Yeah, so behind closed doors, it's not great. But during the day, at least the dogs get to come out and hang out with people. What's wrong with that guy? He's got like a big pink thing on his face. You see that? Hey, buddy. Hi.
This one I would say is used for stuff.
You think so?
Yeah, he's intact.
Because he's pretty?
No, he's an intact male.
He's not.
Which is probably why he's not out with everybody else.
I thought he was out running around earlier. Maybe that's a different one. But yeah, there's definitely intentional breeding to get what they want. I don't know if we can stand around and comment on how they treat their animals. It's
No,
totally different culture. Not ideal though. Why would you cut the ears off of something early?
Yeah.
But during the daytime, it's pretty chill. I think it's going to rain, but I'm not a doctor. We're outside with the flowers now. Okay. Mom wants to see the red ones. It's gonna freaking dump, and we're all gonna be out here in it. Be awesome. It's all pretty. And then in the middle it says Puppy Farm. Mama stayed behind. Smart choice. She's gonna be closest to the shelter when it starts to rain. It's starting to sprinkle.
Được chèo qua cho chị chụp.
Phô mai.
For my, it's the video.
Đâu rồi?
For my.
Rồi nhờ ai? You taking photos?
Yeah, give me a... We are racing in the rain. Everybody went back towards the entrance, but Dad went up, so I'm going up. Up. Ooh, hydrangeas. That's what they're called. Mom just told me. The clouds are almost as pretty as the flowers.
Look, you and I go up to the tree and take photos.
Going. Going up. Going up. Are these plastic?
Yes, it's fake.
Oh, it's all plastic. Beautiful plastic tunnel. This is embarrassing. Oh, it's already open. Okay, we're about to commence Operation Go Down to the Lake. I just wanted to capture what the clouds on the hilltop look like. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful, sleepy, misty place. Okay, I'm gonna grab the umbrellas, try to get down to the lake. Okay, we're walking to the lake. The boys are here. Hopefully walking to the lake. Boys, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Alright. Why walk when you can ride? The hotel staff has been kind enough to offer us a ride down the hill towards the lake. Come on. Here we go. I think we could just walk down this way. There's a little coffee shop. I think we can just walk down next to it. Get away with not paying anything. She thought we'd have to pay at the coffee shop in order to get access to the lake, but it's a pretty big space. I think we can make it. Might just go through there.
I think this is perfect. Instead of sitting outside in the rain.
It's fine. Yeah, it's good. Alright, mission accomplished. We reached the lake. And everybody got along and had a really good time getting here. So we wanted to go over there, but those guys were closed. So we're here next door. We've ordered some drinks to make it so that we can stay here, although they're not exactly busy. So it's okay. So everything is hunky-dory. You think those are houses across the way? Mm-hmm. Wow. What a beautiful spot.
Mackie already followed me on Instagram.
Maggie.
Mackie, the guy which is Matt.
Mackie.
You want me to?
His name's Mika.
Oh,
What's his name?
Mika.
Maki. Maki followed us on Instagram. Maki. I thought he said Pika. The first time when he introduced himself, I thought he said Pika. So that's why I couldn't remember it. Her name is Maxime or something. We met some very nice people at the dog farm, puppy farm. And now we're sitting at the lake. Me and my little brothers and their big sister. Enjoying some beverages. What would you like to say to you? Because nobody's going to watch this video except for you guys. What would you like to say?
Chào mọi người.
Chào hai người, huh? All two of you. Anyway, isn't this beautiful? Beautiful. The camera now has front-facing video, so we can tell if it's pointed in the wrong direction. Wow. Wow.
Hello chicken.
Hello. Please subscribe YouTube channel.